Your Mercedes-Benz has something for everyone, even a Wi-Fi hotspot for your passengers' devices. Setting up the hotspot requires your vehicle to be equipped with Command and an additional Mercedes Me subscription. To get started from the main menu, select System, then Connectivity. Then select Set up Hotspot. Activate the vehicle hotspot, and then select Connect Device to Vehicle Hotspot. The menu will then show that the hotspot has been set up and will also display a password for users to enter when connecting. Once the hotspot is set up, passengers can connect their mobile phones, tablets, and other devices in the settings menu of their device. Look for the connection labeled MB Hotspot and enter the displayed password. Once your device is connected, you'll have Wi-Fi every time you get in the vehicle, and you can connect up to 8 devices. Keep in mind, service is limited by 4G LTE network coverage. Now passengers can access all their favorite activities over Wi-Fi. With Mercedes-Benz, you can stay connected to everything, anywhere.